Introducing the all-hand upgraded metal detector for adults, a professional-grade tool designed for accurate and efficient treasure hunting. There are many products available to choose metal detectors, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best metal detectors from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Panky Metal Detectors for Adults. Waterproof. Discover hidden treasures with the Panky Metal Detectors for Adults. Waterproof. Equipped with advanced features, this detector is perfect for beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. With 5 different modes including all metal, disc, jewelry, memory, and pinpoint, it ensures precise detection tailored to your preferences. The upgraded DSP chip enhances detection speed and accuracy by 25%, allowing you to locate treasures up to 10 inches underground. Its intuitive large LCD display and backlight function enable easy operation even in low light conditions. Designed for comfort and convenience, the adjustable length and ergonomic design cater to users of all heights, while the lightweight construction ensures fatigue-free exploration. The IP68 waterproof search coil enables underwater detection, expanding your hunting grounds. Complete with a heavy-duty digging tool, high-quality carry bag, comfortable headphones, and long-lasting batteries, this kit provides everything you need for an immersive treasure hunting experience. Whether as a gift or for personal use, Panky Metal Detectors promise endless excitement and adventure. Number 2. Upgraded Metal Detector for Adults. Introducing the Upgraded Metal Detector for Adults by Sakups, a cutting-edge treasure hunting companion designed to elevate your outdoor adventures. Boasting an 11-inch advanced waterproof search coil, this detector is perfect for beachcombing, shallow water exploration, and even rainy day pursuits. Note: control box not waterproof. With a detection depth of 11 inches, powered by a newly upgraded DSP chip, its efficiency is enhanced by 40%, ensuring no treasure goes undetected. Equipped with 5 operational modes, and capable of identifying 7 types of metals, including gold, this detector provides unparalleled precision in locating treasures. The large LCD backlight screen offers clear visibility, even in low-light conditions. Its innovative air interface design ensures stability and superior signal detection. Adjustable from 26.37 to 46.47, this detector suits adults and kids alike, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. Complete with a carrying case, durable shovel, high-quality earphones, and 2 9V batteries, embark on your treasure hunting journey with confidence and excitement. Unlock the mysteries buried beneath the surface with the upgraded metal detector for adults. Number 3. All-hand upgraded metal detector for adults. Introducing the all-hand upgraded metal detector for adults, a professional-grade tool designed for accurate and efficient treasure hunting. Equipped with an advanced DSP chip and a 10-inch search coil, this detector offers higher accuracy and a 12-inch detection depth, ensuring you never miss a valuable find. Its IP68 waterproof design allows for exploration in various environments, including beaches and shallow waters, expanding your hunting grounds. Featuring 4 distinct detection modes, all metal, disc, notch, and pinpoint, you can customize your search to target specific metals, while ignoring unwanted items. The ergonomic design, adjustable stem, and lightweight construction provide comfort during extended use, while the intuitive LCD display ensures easy operation, even in low-light conditions. With all-hands commitment to quality and lifetime customer support, you can embark on your treasure hunting adventures with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned enthusiast, the all-hand metal detector promises hours of excitement and discovery, making it the perfect gift for friends and family. Unlock a world of hidden treasures and unforgettable experiences with the all-hand metal detector. Number 4. Garrett Ace 300 Metal Detector with Waterproof. Explore the depths with confidence using the Garrett Ace 300 Metal Detector, with waterproof coil and headphone plus accessories. Crafted by Garrett Metal Detectors, this advanced detector offers unparalleled performance for coin and jewelry hunting enthusiasts. The submersible search coil ensures durability and reliability even in challenging environments. With 3 complementary accessories including Garrett ClearSound Easy Stow headphones, Ace Environmental Cover-Up, and a 7x10 search coil cover, you're equipped for any terrain. Featuring pulse width modulation and electronic pinpointing, this detector provides precise target identification. Select from 5 search modes and utilize 8 sensitivity and depth adjustments for customized detection. Benefit from the coin depth indicator and digital target ID for accurate results. Compact at 10x7x 51 inches and weighing only 2.8 pounds, it offers adjustable length for comfortable use. Powered by 4 AAA batteries, not included, the Garrett Ace 300 promises high performance and reliability, proudly made in the USA. Number 5. Hazelulke Metal Detector for Adults. Introducing the Hazelulke Metal Detector for Adults, the ultimate companion for every beginner and seasoned treasure hunter. With its user-friendly interface tailored for novices, featuring a large backlit LCD display and intuitive silicone buttons, exploring becomes effortless. Choose from 5 professional modes including all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, offering endless adventure possibilities. Equipped with a 10 waterproof coil and upgraded DSP chip, this detector ensures unparalleled accuracy and depth, capable of locating targets up to 4 feet deep. Adjustable detection and forearm stems accommodate users of all heights, making it suitable for both adults and children. Lightweight at 2.4 pounds and easily portable with its carry bag, it's perfect for outdoor expeditions. Included are 2x9V batteries for instant use, a shovel for excavation, and an over-ear headset for immersive experiences. With responsive service and an express warranty, Hasluilki guarantees stability and durability. Start your journey with Hasluilki and unlock a world of discovery. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more